Here we have a 2018 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with over £7,000 worth of extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we have the M Sport Plus package. Now we also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition with the blue M Sport brake calipers. We have the Alpine white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, including the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top, you find the shark fin antennae. We also have the front and rear parking sensors. We have the rear diffuser as well at the back with the twin pipe exhaust, rear reversing camera as well. Let's look at that rear end, and then making our way back round to the driver's side, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Take a look then at the interior quickly. Inside of the back first, you'll find the leather seats. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points as well back here, electric windows on the doors. Take a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats, both front seats being electrically adjustable. The driver's seat has the memory function, they're also both heated. Harman Kardon sound system, and the automatic lights just down there, automatic wipers. We have the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up. We've got the speedometer and the cruise control here on the left, along with the paddle shifters either side, the high beam assist just here on this stalk. As you can see on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. We also have the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If this screen's flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, nothing to worry about. So we have the sat nav just there. We also have the radio stations with the media options, which we can scroll through. Further down, you then find the dual zone climate control, heated seat buttons either side, and also the ice cold air conditioning, USB port just there, automatic gearbox. Put it into reverse, you'll find the front and rear parking sensors along with the rear reversing camera. Back into park by pressing P, we then have the different drive modes on this switch, manual handbrake. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.